Welcome Algebra 1 students to the homework help video, page number 27, 15 through 37 odd, 39 through 55 every other odd, and 60 through 64 all. Let's jump right into this. First of all, the first section in your homework, numbers 15 through 25 odd, numbers 15 through 25 odd. The directions say to check whether the given number is a solution to the equation. Okay, so here we go. Alright, is 3 a solution? Let's find out. 5 plus, here's an x, parentheses, 3 squared equals 17. Let's see if we get out a true or a false statement. 3 times 3 is 9. So we have 5 plus 9, which is 14. Does 14 equal 17? No, it does not. So 3 is not a solution for this equation here. Number 17. Okay, we're going to check out the number 1. We're going to test the number 1. So I have a 2, and then a y, and then plus 3. Now remember, students, we first do our powers. So bring down your 2. Put multiplication dot 1 to the third power. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 3 is 5. 5 equals 5. That's true. So, yes, 1 is a solution to this problem, to this equation. Number 19. Okay, we're going to put 7 in for s. So I have 4, then parentheses, then minus 4 equals, and then 30 minus 7. Alright, here we go. 4 times 7 is 28. 28 minus 4 is 24. 30 minus 7 is 23. 24 does not equal 23, so no, 7 is not a solution. Okay? Not a solution. 21. Okay, we're going to test the number 36. Here we go. Here's an x. So I put parentheses and then 36 all over 4 minus 9 equals 9. 36 divided by 4 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. 0 does not equal 9. So 36 is not a solution for the given equation. Okay. Number 23. We're going to test number 14. So I have a 10, then plus, then here's an a. I'll put parentheses and put 14. All over 7 equals 12. Alright, well, 14 over 7 means 14 divided by 7, which is 2. So 10 plus 2 equals 12. 10 plus 2 is 12, so I get 12 equals 12. So yes, 14 is a solution to the given equation. Okay, 25, we're going to check 3. So there's a lot of h's here, so take your time and be careful. 4 parentheses 3 minus parentheses 3 equals 12 over parentheses 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 12 minus 3 is 9. 9 does not equal 4, so 3 is not a solution. Okay. next section in your homework, numbers 27 through 37 odd. The directions say to solve the equation using mental math. Okay? Solve the equation using mental math. So here we go. 27. Let's think about it, guys. Well, what would I put here for n? What plus 6 equals 11? 5, right? 5 plus 6 equals 11. So n equals 5. Number 29, okay? 3 times what would give you 12? How about 4, right? 3 times 4 equals 12. So y equals 4. Alright. 31. 4 times what would give you 36? Well, 4 times 9 equals 36. So p equals 9. 33. Alright, now let's think about this. I want this whole expression to equal what? 9, right? So think about it. I want 2t to equal what? 10, right? Because 10 minus 1 is 9. So if this becomes 10, then 10 minus 1 is 9. What would I put for t right here to make this become a 10? 2 times what? How about 5, right? 2 times 5 is 10 minus 1 is 9. So t equals 5. Let's try another one. Okay. What divided by 7 equals 3? Well, how about 21? 21 divided by 7 equals 3. So x equals 21. Number 37. Okay, now think about this. What number, when multiplied by itself 3 times, gives you 125? Is it 2? Well, 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Is it 3? 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Is it 4? 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. Is it 5? Well, 5 times 5 is 25, and 25 times 5 is 125. So yes, it is. The answer is 5. 5 to the third power equals 125. So y equals 5. There we go. Pretty simple. Okay, numbers 39 through 55. Every other odd. We're checking to see if a number is a solution for an inequality. Okay, so for number 39, we're checking the number 4. So 5 plus s, I'm going to put 4, is greater than 8. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 is greater than 8. Is that true or false? Well, that's true. 9 is greater than 8. So yes, 4 is a solution because we got out a true statement. Alright. 43. We're going to check the number 9, okay? So 11x, 11 times 9 is less than or equal to 9 minus 7. 11 times 9 is 99. 9 minus 7 is 2. Now, is that true or false? 99 is less than 2. That is false. So 9 is not a solution. Not a solution. Alright, number 47. Let's test the number 22. Alright, 22 minus 7 greater than or equal to 15. 22 minus 7 is 15. Now, is this true or false? Is 15 greater than or equal to? Don't forget, that's what that line means. It means equal to. Is 15 greater than or equal to 15? Yes, that's true. Now, if this was missing, if it just said 15 is greater than 15, that would be false. 15 is not greater than 15, but it says 15 is greater than or equal to 15. That's true. 15 is equal to 15, so 22 is a solution. Is a solution. Okay. 51. We're going to test number 4. Okay. So here's an A. I'm going to put a 4. Then 3A. So 3 times 4 plus 2. Greater than 50. Now, listen carefully, students. Here's a chance for us to use our order of operations over here. Remember, step 1, make sure all of your parentheses and brackets are simplified down to one number. In this parentheses here, do I have one number? Yes, I do. But in this parentheses, I don't. So let's simplify this parentheses over here down to one number. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. There we go. And now, do your multiplication. 4 times 14 is 56. So 56 is greater than 50. Is that true or is that false? Well, that's true. 56 is bigger than 50. So 4 is a solution to the given inequality. Alright, 55, here we go. We're going to test the number 8, okay? Test the number 8. So here's an n. I'll put parentheses and I'll put 8. Here's an n. 21 minus 8 less than 100. Well, here we go. First of all, this parentheses here is simplified down to one number. However, this parentheses over here is not simplified down to one number. So let's do that quickly. 21 minus 8 is 13. 8 times 13, 104, is 104 less than 100. No, it's not. 104 is greater than 100. So this is a false statement. So number 8, the number 8 is not a solution for the given inequality. Lastly, number 60 through 64, the directions say to match the verbal sentence with its mathematical representation. So here we go. We have number 16, the product. That means we're multiplying. The product of what? 16 and x. We're multiplying 16 and x is less than 32. The product, let's multiply. The product of what? What are you multiplying? 16 and x is less than 32. 16 times x is 16x. So 16x is less than 32. There it is right there. 16x is less than 32. So 60 is the letter I. 61. The fourth power of x. Alright, the fourth power of x. So I have x to the fourth power is, this means equals 16. The fourth power of x, in other words, x to the fourth power equals 16. Right there it is. Letter B. 62. The sum, so we're adding, sum means add. The sum of what two things? 16 and x. So the sum of 16 and x is less than or equal. Less than or equal to 32. Let's look at this again. The sum, so I know right away I want to put a plus sign. The sum of what? 16 and x is less than or equal to 32. Let's see. I almost circled this one because 16 plus x is the same thing as x plus 16. But notice there's no equal sign here. Okay? Here it is. 16 plus x is less than or equal to 32. Letter D. Case 63. The quotient. That means we're dividing, so put a fraction bar. What are we dividing? X and 16. Let's go over that again. The quotient. So we know we're dividing, so a fraction bar. The quotient of what? X and 16 is greater than 32. So x over 16 is greater than 32. There it is. Letter A. Last but not least, number 64. The product of 16 and x, so we know we're multiplying. What are we multiplying? 16 and x is greater than 32. Now, 16 times x is just simply 16x is greater than 32. 16x is greater than 32. There it is right there. So the answer is E. Okay, E's the answer. And that's it. That's it, guys. I hope this homework help video has been a help to you. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to call or email.